Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your Facebook account to another phone. All right. You don't have to do extra steps. Just go ahead and open up your other phone. As you can see here, I have my phone number one right here at the left and the second phone right here at the right. As you can see, I am logged in to my Facebook account in my phone number one. And what we're going to do to transfer the account to another phone, which is right here, is just basically log in. For example, I'm going to log in. All right, as you can see here, it is now logging in and it requires a code. So basically, what you're going to want to do is just go ahead and open up your phone and enter the code in here. Or you can go ahead and go to your notifications right here and swipe it down, as you can see, and a recognized device recently attempted to access your account. Just go ahead and tap on it. All right, continue. This was me. Save browser and continue. All right, as you can see here, it automatically loads. It will just give us an initial error right here, but don't worry, it doesn't matter. All right, as you can see here, save your login info. Just go ahead and save it right here. Skip everything. And as you can see, I have logged into my account on the other phone without problems. All right, that's basically how you do it. Now, if you want to delete your Facebook right here on your main phone or your phone number one, just go ahead and go to your home screen, tap and hold on Facebook, hit on uninstall. All right, uninstall, hit OK. Once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.